We'll guide you through how to set up ClickUp goals to boost your productivity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and locate the Goals section under More. Click on it, and you'll see an option to create a new goal. Click on New Goal to get started. A form will pop up, and here you'll need to enter the goal's name, description, and due date. Make sure to choose a name that clearly represents what you want to achieve. The description is a great place for any details or milestones you want to remember. Next, you'll have the option to add targets. These are the measurable components that make up your goal. Click on Add Target, and you'll be prompted to specify what exactly you want to track. You can choose from several options like tasks completed, numbers achieved, or even monetary amounts. Each target can have its own due date and can be assigned to different team members. This is particularly useful if you're working in a team setting. Once you've set up your targets, you can also adjust the visibility settings. You can make the goal private, share it with specific team members, or make it public to the entire workspace. This flexibility allows you to control who can see and contribute to the goal. After you're satisfied with all the details, click Create Goal. Your goal will now appear in the goals list, and you can track its progress right from there. You can update the targets, add comments, and even attach files as you work towards achieving the goal. Don't forget to regularly check back and update the progress to keep everything on track. And there you have it. Your ClickUp goal is all set up and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.